The color field type also got a redesign, resulting in a better user experience. You can pick a color from a predefined palette or use the browser's picker to select one. The preview also updates while you edit it. Let's look at the settings of the color field in the Blueprint Builder. Here in the Appearance and Behavior section, you can set all of the predefined values that you want to appear. For a brand guide, it makes sense to limit the selection to a predefined list of colors. So let's switch off the AnyColor setting. Hit Apply, Save, and let's go back to the entry. As you can see, we are now limited to select one of the provided and predefined colors.